Hello everybody, today I'm going to be showing you the easiest faceless YouTube channel to make. I suggest you listen to this whole thing because I'm going to go into detail on how to help grow this better and things to look out for and ways you can monetize it to make the most amount of money. Okay, so let's get started. So here's what you're going to be doing. I'm going to show you an example right here. So you see these channels, these are called copyright-free gameplays. And you can see I upload entertaining gameplay footage that is free for anybody to use and monetize in their videos. All of my gameplay videos are free to use, edit, and monetize in your videos. Please note you're not allowed to re-upload this video or another no copyright gameplay or free to use gameplay. So what they're trying to say is you can use their content, but you have to add value to it. You can't just directly re-upload it. Now with your videos, you can decide whether you want them to do that or not. Usually they're going to add commentary over it. And here's another thing that I wanted to show you. He'll do it right here. When you do upload this, when you do upload these videos, you know, he asked that you credit him. So you would just go to his channel, or with your videos, you would go to your channel, you would copy and paste this, put this in the description, and ask anybody that uses your content that they please give you credit for it. And that will help grow your page and get you more exposure. And as for monetization, this is kind of a... Now, there is ways I can show you that you'll be able to monetize no matter what. But if we go to his channel right here, let's pause this. And then we go to this website, check if a YouTube channel is monetized. And then we check monetization. Oh, hold on, this might take a few seconds. It is monetized. But however, I noticed that he started adding commentary to his gameplays. But I did find another one that doesn't do that. And they're technically still monetized too. It's this channel right here. And he's still monetized also. Now, this just gives you a basic understanding of how much you'll make with the revenue. And, you know, his is entertainment. Well, no, his is gaming, not entertainment. I don't know the exact revenue he's earning on here, but this just gives you a basic idea. And maybe not every video is monetized. Because if you just upload the gameplay, YouTube might not think that's creative enough to monetize. But they might. But if you want to make sure, here's another way that you can earn with this. In your description, find affiliate programs. Like this one is for vidIQ. Since people that are looking for your gameplays are likely going to use it in their videos, and they're interested in probably growing their channel also. And so you could go to vidIQ and just type in, you know, you can hit control. Well, actually, you can just go down to the bottom and then click on affiliates. So you see what this is if you sign up to be an affiliate, you will get a link that you can put in the description of your videos. And along with them asking to give you credit, you can put this and say, help grow your channel with vidIQ. And you will earn every time someone signs up through your affiliate link. And these people, chances are, if they are looking to use your videos, they're interested in content creation. So they're going to be using this. You can also find TubeBuddy. They have an affiliate program. This helps grow your YouTube channel. And another thing of it is, if you do decide to upload these gameplays, you can come here and download OBS Studios. This is totally free. And, you know, you can watch a tutorial on how to use it and then just play whatever game you want. And you can find free-to-play games on Steam and just record it. And if you want to add commentary, you can. If you don't, that's fine. Because usually if people are going to use it in their videos, they're going to remove the audio from the gameplay anyway. So the gameplay, you know, just play however you want. Because I know that with the commentary channels I watch, they just have the gameplay in the background. They don't have the audio with it. It's very easy to separate the audio in editing studios, editing software. But you could also find affiliate programs for that and put in the description of your videos. See, it's super simple. Record some gameplay. And if you play video games, just going to be stuff you already do anyway. Just film it, record it, put it up there. Add your affiliate links in the description of your videos, and hopefully your channel gets big. Ask people to give you credit, so then more people will start posting your links on their pages. And you could even create a Patreon, because some people might be saying, hey, you're saving me some time. I'll throw you a few dollars, and then you can make money with that also. All right, let me know what you think about this idea. I will put a link in the description to a blog of mine where I teach you how to write, well, not write, I teach you other faceless YouTube channel ideas. So go ahead, check that out. Thanks for watching. Peace.